Hello everybody and welcome back to episode 2 of The Sons of the Forest. We're going to carry on our exploration and see what we can find in today's episode. Thirsty?
Yeah, remember, go for water first.
I'm thirsty. I need a drink. I haven't got any food, have I? I got explosives. I could always eat some explosives. It's very cool. I don't think they increase hunger though. I'm not too sure. Kevin is like, I think he's probably in Asia.
Won't be very long.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to call switch it, so
Oh my god, there's a turtle!
you want to kill it.
I killed it. Oh. All I got is a turtle shell. And now I'm eating meat in my belly. There we are. Oh my god, there's a guy! There's a guy, there's a guy, there's a guy! There's a guy, there's a guy, there's a guy! There's more than one guy, there's guys.
Coming. Can kill him.
Is that what we're doing? I would leave him. Oh my god. You're a madman.
Killed him.
Oh, I missed. There's another guy. Ah! Have it! Have it! Oh! Good dodge. Oh yeah, but oh, he's still alive. Oh, nice! We got him.
Okay, what?
Timber.
No.
Yeah, we need planks. We need 6. Timber! Jay, watch out! Oh, here we go. Choppy, choppy. Woo!
Move my thing now, it's like rolling.
Kevin's just looking at us like, whoa, nice house, boys. Thanks, man. Yeah. Oosh.
Think now.
Hey! First house or cabin built. Let's go.
Make windows. Shall I make some windows? Let's measurements.
This is so small. We just spent so much time for this. Is he okay?
You stepped all our stuff.
What's he doing?
Hey, what's it called? Hey, treehouse.
Oh, nice bed, bro. I got duct tape.
The whole house.
I just used it. Now press E. Save. Yeah. Saved. Now we can get rid of this thing. No, that means we can get rid of the tarp, right? You get me?
Yeah.
Look, now we got tarp. Maybe we make this little area a storage area.
Okay, but I think we should put this in a different place.
Can you not take down?
Oh, this is
there
broken. Oh, no.
Ah! What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What have you done? Ah! I just got hit! Oh my god, it was you! You dick!
You with a log.
Whoa! Oh, I'm dying out here! Can you stop killing me?
Went into mum.
What are you doing? I don't know how I feel about this woman. She keeps staring at me funny.
Open door. Oh, you're on fire, bro!
Ah!
No!
I'm gonna die!
Run around, bro! Get in the water!
I'm gonna die!
Get on fire, though!
I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Get in the water!
Not on fire anymore.
Oh, I'm jumping out! 360!
Come on!
No, wait, drink some water. I just cool myself down. I think Kevin's got a problem.
You're not coming inside that.
Let's sleep. Adventure time. So, guys, I think it's time to go on an adventure. Maybe go camping. Let's try and find some camps maybe and get some rope and stuff like that. Supplies. I'm not going to get Kevin to follow us because he's a bit of a knob.
What happens if he dies?
Well, it'll be fine. Okay, there's camp here.
Let's go. Oh, it's fine. We'll just open this.
Tape! C4!
Oh, I got a C4 brick.
I got a C4 brick. Food! Oh, I'm definitely eating it right now. I'm definitely eating it right now.
Like some skulls. What's this over here?
I got cloth.
I'm eating food. I mean, I am hungry.
I hear bees or something, and I don't like the sound of bees.
I got cloth.
Oh, flares. We
I
like
got
flares.
circuit boards.
Oh, ammo. Gee whiz.
I got ammo. What's this?
Cloth.
More cloth.
I'm a bit thirsty for some reason. Maybe because I've just been stabbed. What's going on?
Just fuck it.
Bro, it's getting louder. Oh my god, there's a deer. There's a deer. I'm really scared. It's really loud. Jake.
It's a deer.
Jake, he's here. Jake, he's here. He's here. You just killed a deer.
I got animal hide.
There's something here. And it's cloth. But why is it so loud? It's interference. There's something Bro, it's a grave! You can find a shovel in this game. I don't like it. I need to go away from this. I'm scared. If you mix flowers, you can get energy mix. So we can start farming those, maybe. And create energy mix. There's a spider! Look at it go!
Are they dead?
I think we go for this.
Duct tape. Money. I got.
Bro!
You find things
Oh, there's tape. Look, it says we have eyeball, bro, in the bottom of our screen.
That means someone can see us. Did
Down.
you see that?
What?
So we just fell in the water. Run.
Ah!
I don't like this. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Whoa! Kayak!
Oh my god, there's so much. I keep on getting... My tiredness has gone up so much, Josh. Like my whole bar, I can sleep twice now, so I'm never gonna be tired in my life.
Oh my god, there's a watch here. There's an arm with another watch. Got oars.
There's like people try to. Did people try to escape or get on the island? There's footsteps.
Seagull!
Follow me.
Ooh!
Like this.
Oh, look how many! Quick, get him!
So not happening it. It's fine. Oh.
There's no eyeball at the moment. There's pigeons on it. Are they but normal people?
They're normal. Like us.
They have our clothes on. Yeah, but that guy's dead. He's got his helmet on the floor.
Maybe this was one of our guys we fell off the plane from.
Yeah, but that shows that other people have been on the planes coming to this island because
Bro, you know
the other people died. Alright.
Is that an eagle? Yeah. That's what I wanted to
Oh,
get.
good. Oh, camp.
Okay.
It's very small though.
Energy bar.
Energy bar and zip line rope. Whoa. Oh my god, Jake. Oh my god. Do you see this? Nah. We ain't going near there.
In the bushes, they don't see you, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Well, we're not going for that because oh my god.
Have you seen? He's like a big boy. Oh, you're right. Oh my god, he just stood up. He just stood up. I see one other Donny. He's like praying. Oh, and then there's another person scouting. I hear steps near me.
You'll be fine.
Just don't get noticed, otherwise we're going to be in shit street. Oh my god, they got vision! Duck. Bro, if they come after us, we're dead! We're going to have to... There's a big boy as well. There's like big boy. There's Mamacita. Let's go, let's just run.
I'm wearing the armor.
Run.
rope.
Oh, we got one of the missing plants that we needed. Bro, we got so many new recipes. We can make it. We can make energy mix now. What will I make if I do this?
I have it. I'm making it.
Oh, here we go. Energy mix plus. Yeah. Eat.
Yeah, eat.
Oh, it's like an energy drink. Oh, while I'm here, I'm gonna have some drink, I reckon. Oh no, it's I don't think it's person. He just entered the water and now he's out of the water. Can you see him?
I can drink. You just have to have an empty hand.
I have an empty hand. Oh yeah. Jake, there's a guy.
Oh, it'll be fine. It's already available a spoon.
He's here! Don't attack him! Oh my god.
Fine, she's dying. Oh shit, I just got hit. Stop that son of a bitch.
We gotta wash ourselves off and then we need to run.
Burn. I want to cook some food anyway, so.
Cook some food. We'll wait tonight. We might as well do it all during the night and then sleep past the
I'm
night.
gonna burn her anyway.
Oh, why am I still dirty? I'm dirty.
Need to burn her. One stick.
Hang on, I'm gonna try and create some leaf armor and see what happens. I'm gonna create some leaf armor and yeah, I have loads of
We
sticks.
need to burn this woman before the people come.
Oh, it gives you something, but it's only green. I don't know what that does.
Help, not help. Oh, let's just fight. Let's leave it. I've got my thing. That's what I'm saying. They're probably coming to eat us right now.
Here we go. Actually, I don't think we should make any
We
more.
can burn money. I'm burning my cash.
Yeah, I don't want to burn dollar bills. I have so much meat. Actually, why am I cooking so much?
I'm cooking.
We shouldn't be cooking so much. We don't need to.
I'm cooking food.
I cooked 2. I only need 1 though. I got an eye. I got a big ass eye. They're definitely going to come for us.
You can make them armor, by the way.
Yeah, they're definitely going to come for us right now.
That's fine.
I also hear noises. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Yours is done. Fine.
Just eat one. I'm going to try and combine some. Kevin's toxic.
Look, he's here. He ran like 1,000,000 miles per hour. And on my game's like having a...
Fuck's sake, Kevin! Kevin!
He ruined my whole game.
Kevin, you ruined it.
Things.
Oh my god, the woman's following us. That. Alright, can you save her there?
Slowly moving forward. Oh, I turned around by accident.
I can see you. You're like. Oh my god, you're like
It's
slow.
actually giving me like a headache. Oh my god.
You're almost there.
E, hold E, I'm holding it. Game saved.
This is definitely a good time to end. Okay, guys, thanks for watching of Sons of the Forest. We have some people attacking us now, but it's time to leave, and we'll see how it goes next time.